Hello to all. So I decided to give my Sega here a complete makeover. I had all FDE Magpul furniture, the Zukov, however you pronounce it, Handguard 4-in stock, and I still have the pistol grip. But I took all that stuff off, taking the pistol grip off too, and I'm changing everything out on it. I got a US palm grip here with me right now I'm going to put on. And I have, right now, I'm actually burning a wood stock. I'm going to see how that turns out. If that doesn't, come out how I want it, I do have a TDA Arms stock adapter coming, and I can throw on an AR stock. But today I'm going to be unboxing the part I got for the fore-end, and I got that from SLR Rifle Works. I'm going to put this to the side. And I got one of their handguards. It just comes in a white box. All my information's on the other side. Comes bubble wrapped, invoices in there, and they give you a sticker and a business card on the inside. Unwrap it, and here we are. This is a SLR Rifle Works AK Ion M-Lock handguard. So the handguard itself, by itself, is $219. I got the rail gas tube. That's an extra $100. At the end, shipping and everything, it ended up being $334.93 for this whole setup right here. This is the Solo, and this is the S version, and I got the Mod 1. So I'm not sure how SLR, they make their products for all sorts of AKs, and they vary wildly how they work, but this one's supposed to be for the Sega. You select, there's two different types of options you have to select to make sure it fits yours. But here you have your little locking lug right here, which right away it looks like it won't work on mine, but we'll see how that goes. This M-Lock QD mount at the back, M-Lock at the 6 o'clock position, and the rail gas tube up there. I'm gonna get my rifle back up here, see how it goes. It doesn't really look like this will fit as is already. I'd be kind of disappointed if it doesn't, but we'll see. All right, good news, this does fit. So the way they have it set up here, you have your actual adapter that actually goes into the rifle itself. You have your handguard. There's 2 screws on the bottom, and they thread into here. There are these thicker screws here. And I used a, what was that? I believe a 5/32 hex key. And then you have these longer screws that will screw in from the top. They engage, where they go? Oh, in here. They engage here. And those go through your rail gas tube, and those use these longer screws right here, and those are 1/8 hex key. So in the end, mount this up into your rifle under here on the receiver. Put that on, screw those in, put the rail on top, and these go down at the top. And I'm gonna put all that in right now and show you once I'm done. That's done. And I was looking at this. This is a good looking piece of metal right here. This piston tube, this railed gas tube. Man, so here we go. I'm gonna go on, and it looks like just engagement. Didn't need that. Looks like just engagement back here is what actually locks this together. Man, look at that. That looks good. The installation was really easy, and just a quick correction, it was not a 1/8 key for these top screws. It was actually a 9/64. I had to go up one size. They were just easy to unscrew with too small because they were not all the way down. But this is really easy to install. Just slip this in down here, those screws, pop it in, and all the tension is right here between these two screws on the mount and those two screws on the top. This is a 16-inch barrel, if you guys were wondering. And again, this is a 11.5 handguard, and the 11.5 counts from the end right here, not including the mount. So you get about half an inch more, so it's almost like 12 inches. And I believe that's a good fit down there. I was looking to get a 13.5, but I realized that would probably, come back right here. I believe that's enough real estate right here with these M-lock slots. You got plenty up here. Got space for my D-ball, my optic. I actually have a Midwest Industries mount up there. I'm probably not going to use this on this rifle. I'm going to make good use of this 1913 rail up here. This is a really light setup here. I'm gonna look, I have it up on my phone right here so I can give you guys the proper weight. This is 11.1 ounces. So I'm not sure exactly how much more the gas tube weighs, but it is pretty light. I know I'm going to add on some wood that's definitely going to increase the weight, but this is a really good looking handguard. I'm gonna get some rail panels. Not sure what lighting setup I'm going to go with. With the Magpul one, I had like an Enforce, but I already like this so much better. This lockup feels tight. Get a vertical grip. It's gonna be a good looking rifle. I am taking suggestions for vertical grip. I'm gonna get some rail scales or some kind of VZ grip panels right here, but I do need a recommendation for a vertical grip. Got my pistol grip coming, and I'll have the stock later on. Let's see if the bolts and carrier go back in. There we go. And the recoil spring. There we go. All right, seems to be moving in and out of this new railed gas tube just fine. No issues there. Thank you all for watching. I'll show you guys the finished project, and I hope you like it.